Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. And as of recently, you now have the ability to add a fixed amount coupon codes to specific affiliates for their affiliate campaigns. So essentially, if you go to the affiliate manager to find your affiliate that you want to hand out the coupon code to is their own special coupon code, right? Sometimes, like you hear on podcasts, for example, they kind of verbally voice out the coupon code in the end, right? So in this case, it would be something like you find the campaign that they're assigned to, and you click on customize, and then there's two coupon types, right? You can do the percentage, you can do a fixed, kind of self-explanatory. So it depends on how you want to do it, but yeah, it kind of gives you more flexibility to do like special campaigns, maybe some collaborations, right? And kind of do like different coupons, different discount levels for different affiliates, whatever your agreements are. But this gives you like more flexibility, and that's under here under the coupon code section. And then the rest is kind of just make them personalized. So if it's like I don't know Andy, then you do Andy 50, for example, right? And then you can do like a $50 discount off the purchase through that affiliate campaign, through the affiliate link that they send. So yeah, gives you extra flexibility, which is a cool thing. Again, percentage or fixed, both ways. Pick whichever one makes sense to you. Make sure to go test that out. And if you have any questions about Affiliate Manager, anything else Funneltopia related, as per usual, click on down here. 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.